Hi, and welcome to this video on how to sync users from RealtyAPX to AcctFusion. Today we will be going over the process of how to do that, and this is the first screen you'll see once you log into AcctFusion. And what our goal today is to sync the agents from RealtyAPX and the other users in the system to our AcctFusion database so that we don't have to go and manually create all of the agents as a customer and agent. So the first thing we're going to want to do is log into our RealtyAPX account. Once we're here, go ahead and click on the name and then click on Setup. Once you've clicked on Setup, click on the folder on the top left. Go to Create and Edit Users. Once you are here, you'll see all of the users that have been created in the system. If you haven't done that yet, you'll want to go ahead and import your users, and this is done through the RealtyAPX setup. And this is found in a separate training, but we'll focus on the AcctFusion integration today. So once you have all of the agents in that you want to transfer to AcctFusion, go ahead and click Sync Users. And you'll see 5 agents were successfully updated. Now it's important to know as you go throughout the process of your company, you may add users and agents later down the road. If you do, go ahead and just simply click Sync Users and it will transfer the new agents that you've added to AcctFusion. So now we'll want to go ahead and jump back to our AcctFusion database. So we'll go ahead and jump on in there right to this screen. So once we're back into AcctFusion, you'll want to go ahead and click on Shortcuts and then go to Agents. And you'll see that all of these agents have been synced into our new system. There's one important thing to note though, is the business name for all of these are Drew Realty Co. And that is the name of our company. However, we want to change this name to either their first name and last name or whatever their own personal company may be. So maybe that is Kobe Bryant LLC, or however they usually get their checks paid out to them. That's what you'll want to adjust here. So go ahead and click on the line, and then you can edit the name from here. So we'll go ahead and just do a first and last name because that's what we make the checks out to in this scenario. And then we'll click Save. And you'll see that that has updated. So you'll want to go ahead and do this for all of your agents, and this will allow you to have the accurate name that we'll be paying out the checks to. It's also important to note whatever edits you make on this screen will also be made in the Accounts Receivable, Customers, and Agents tab. As you can see, that's already updated, as well as the Accounts Payable, Vendors, and Agents. So if you ever want to edit agent information, you'll want to go to Shortcuts and Agents, and from here you can do that, and that will edit on each of those respective screens. So this has been a tutorial on how to sync your users from RealtyAPX to AcctFusion. Users, once again, could be agents, admin, or anyone that is on your RealtyAPX account. This is one of the first steps that you'll want to do in getting your AcctFusion database up and going. And if you have any other questions, please refer to our accounting manual as well as our other videos. Thank you.